Well, it is freaking officially hot in here. Still got ice in the loader bucket. But the plan for today is to get the wood chipper out of here. Maybe the trike back there. So, the wood chipper, I want to get that thing going. So, probably be the best thing to do for today. Get the wood chipper going. I got a new replacement carb. Also, I could try cleaning the one for it, but I'm pretty sure it was beyond cleaning. He did play around with it last year, but to be honest, I'm pretty sure I lost the video footage. I have the tools I need at least out here to clean the carburetor properly now. So, and what is all in there? The lawnmower. Oh man, so much junk to go through, hey? But, well, I guess I'll start by seeing if the Sears is going to play nice. I'll open up this and we'll see. It took me a second to realize where the key was, but I'm too old for this shit. Stand right on the fender. That's good for them, isn't it? Hey? I'm wearing Crocs. Okay. So, one spot I wasn't going to lose the key was on top of the choke. Doesn't even want to come off there. Really? You guys freaking kidding me? Wow. There we go. Put in the key. It's windier as frig outside today, but that's all set up. I'm in neutral, I believe. Yep. See what happens. Oh, she's running nice now. I am not going to dump out that ice, because if I do, I might get stuck. Now I got to make sure I don't wreck the zipper by catching it there, especially with that guy. Nice out. Oh, I'm about to focus like crazy. What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm playing tractor. Why? I'm not allowed to play tractor without you? Weren't you just playing Call of Duty Zombies?
Not me. I definitely don't have a long running feud with Logan.
Okay. This guy started up fine. That's a good thing. Running on choke right now, but still started up. That's good that that one's not seized up or anything. Mower deck seems to be in good shape. So, okay. Yeah. What you doing, Buggy? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the engine. I got everything to put it back together. Yeah, pretty much. So we're thinking of taking that Honda Odyssey frame right there and throwing a straight axle under it, because that axle's missing all the guts. Well, mind you, the guts might be there, might be fine, but I don't know. Might be an interesting buggy to build up on. We'll see. Diesel 6-horse, that'd be good. The main issue that I'm going to be working on is going to be the wood chipper. So I just put all the Sears tractors out here. Threw them out here with all the attachments. Got to start going through everything here. All the spare parts and all the different attachments. And I'm sure there's all kinds of other stuff everywhere, but hey. Logan, you're on shit duty. Put on your shit gloves and start picking up shit. Later today, yes, hey? I believe it when I see it. Okay, so here's the Dumpsy. Freaking 4 horsepower. I think it's Craftsman, yep. Chipper, shredder. There's the old carb. And I'm just going to toss on the new one. Give it a try. Chinesium. Never know. Looks like it has corrosion at the bottom there. Oh, interesting. Light's flickering and it's not focusing. I think I'm going to need a new camera soon. Okay, well, this is going to be boring, but I mean, who doesn't know how to change a carb? Okay, so new carb's installed. Everything works like it should. Brand new air filter. Man, am I splurging a little bit of money for this? The gasket was wrong, but not too big of a deal. Ooh, and guess what? I don't have just a normal filter. I also got this one here, which is that guy. Now this one here, I mean, I could have cleaned it, but why not change it? Next thing to do is maybe the recoil roll. And I'm not sure if you guys see that, but it looks like a rat's nest in there. You guys see that? It might not be that bad, hey? So I'm going to start it up, let it run, and then I'll check that. Well, it's already getting kind of dark outside. It's not that bad, but she's back together. The old parts, just kick them to the side, and probably wait till tomorrow to try it. Sure of it, I'm going to have to pull off that recoil. If I do that, I'll change the fuel line at the same time. I should check if there's oil in this thing. A little dark, but she has some. Well, that's a good sign. Now, the spark plug looks to be in there pretty tight and rusty. Now, before with the old carb, it started on spray, but it was so corroded on the inside, I don't think it's worth trying to clean. So technically, I can add gas and see what happens. Oh, corner clip's broken off there, it looks like. Not too big of a deal. Oh no, it's not. It's just they're bent down. Fixed. Fix those in a second there. And then I'll lock again. Okay, so new carb's on. Sure enough, it started up. No problem, first pull. Oh my god, I can't step on that. Logan, you had one job to clean. Okay, so I'm going to start it up, let it warm up for now. Let it warm up for a while, and then that's probably way too big to go through it, the Christmas tree, but I don't know why, I just have to try it. A little rattly in spot. That flapper. I want to, throw it in. This came right through. See, we got tons of sticks everywhere that has to get chopped up. And a lot of it's actually pretty rotten like this. Like most of it's just rotten shit everywhere. Bouncing around in there pretty good. But it's coming out. That should work out good. It will work a lot better if I feed a lot more into it. But so much, like look at this pile here that we got to go through right here. It's all again rotten wood. Okay, I'll see if I can short it out. I'm not going to rev it up any higher yet. Okay, I'm going to put on my gloves. Give it a little bit more gas. You just step into it. Yep. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Okay. I think I gotta take the branches off, really. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. Hey! rotten. It's rotten wood.
Yeah.
Here, let's follow. Not that rotten. Okay, well, that's going to take a long ass time. I think we need a bigger unit, eh?
Yeah. Just a bit. You see the wheels spin?
Huh?
See the wheels spin?
Yeah, is it still recording?
Yeah.
That would take so long.
Yeah.
But
We got a decent amount of mulch here.
Yeah.
We could probably pave a couple square feet.
Yeah. Just kind of.
It didn't go into one pile, but
No, that's the thing. We'd have to make a huge pile of it.
no.
Okay, might as well turn that off for now.
Yeah.
Turn it off.